Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create glowing button for UI. Exact steps: select the rectangle tool, draw rounded rectangle and set fill color. Now double click shape layer, turn on outer glow, choose soft color and also reduce opacity. Increase blur size, click drop shadow and also set small distance. Lower shadow opacity, then press OK. Add text on button. Align text center UI button is ready in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Your project is ready in Photoshop. Glowing button for UI.